Okay, next one is, well, I love all of them, but you guys know my favorite color is red. And these are the Slash Lux 7/8 leggings. And some of the things I really can't even think of words because I am so excited. And I know that you guys are going to be so excited about these leggings. So, the same as the black ones, just new color, beautiful, bright, true red. Does have a little bit of orange. The color you see in the camera is a true color, but I really feel like it's a true red. Super, super awesome. Size down, so the same size that you usually do on the Lux. Do the same, you'll be happy. If they are high-waisted, I feel like they are a little bit lower than our high-waisted. You can see my belly button. So I think all depends on how long your torso is. Some people can still wear the mid-rise as high waist, but these ones are named high waist, but I feel like they're a little bit lower. Like I'm pointing it out, it shows my belly button a little bit. It just goes right across. It's just kind of like the Soft and Snug, the camel ones. It has that same fit here on the waist. So it does have the stitch on top, then an awesome, beautiful detail, 7/8 leg, and it is, you know, holidays are coming, and I know that we like to wear a red, and Canadians, you guys are gonna love, you guys love red as well. It's on your flag, so it's just gorgeous, gorgeous color, not only for the holidays, but summer. And anyway, so I just keep talking because I'm just so excited about them. So I hope that you guys are as excited as I am, because they are so good. Size down, high-waisted, 7/8, you will love them.